Namaste. Welcome to Yoga by the Lake. Oh. Okay. I thought this was yoga. This isn't yoga. I'm confused. It might be hookah. Oh, I see. Oh, they're trying to scare away a bear. It's a hard thing to do. You have to appear unhinged if you want to live. If you look, well, extra, you might just have a chance. Oh, crap, it's not working. Man, you're a goner if you don't try something. Here, try sneezing. If you jump scare this fur-covered muscle rocket, you're probably done for. But if you... There it is. Yeah, that's what you'll need to do if you want to survive bear time. Have a good day.